Good afternoon, I'm Carolina, and this is on my outline for my memoir for a project that is coming up. So, my who and my what. For my memoir, the who in the story would be me, my friend, and my so called friends in the story. You'll understand once you read it. It doesn't really make sense, but in the story it is. The what is for what I was being bullied for and like how I overcame it and stuff that can help people towards the future, not just me. My when and my why. So my when is my story takes place at my middle school, and especially during my 6th and 7th grade years, those were one of the hardest for me during this time. And yeah, my why would be the reason I chose the story. So, the reason I chose my story is because it is a memory I will never forget, and it is something that is very important to me, and it shaped me to be who I am today. So, it's something I will never forget, and I cherish forever. Like, it's kind of weird to say that you cherish being bullied, but I kind of do because it really made me stronger and it made me who I am today. And yeah, my next slide is my where. So, like I said, this happened during middle school for me, especially my 6th, 7th, and some of 8th grade year, not as much. The school is over here located in Albuquerque, right here, John Adams Middle School. It's on the west side by getting off like I-40. Yeah, I-40. And yeah, so this is where it happened. It didn't happen like outside, but it happened in the halls outside of the basketball courts. And I kind of explain it in my story, not as much into detail where, but I just wanted to give you a hint of where this actually happened to me. Mainly, most important is at my middle school. So, and my last slide is how. So, throughout my story, I will address what I learned and how I overcame the situation. The reason I chose this story is because it is something very meaningful to me, like I said previously, and I think others can also learn from my experience, and I think it would be something very important to share. I will be telling my story over a sound project that includes me narrating my memoir with background music in the back. I may also add some pictures into my sound project to make it more understanding and for more ideas, more creativity for my audience. Yeah, I think that is it. So thank you.